Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Gmail, like this. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on clear cache. In this page you will click on clear cache like this. Before that we click on storage and here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.